Good morning children. Let's start our chapter 4 subtraction. Page number 35. Children, we have already learnt in the previous class the subtraction of 3-digit number. Let's start the subtraction of 4-digit number. चलो subtraction of 4-digit number with borrowing. Subtraction of 4-digit number with borrowing. Without borrowing. Without borrowing. देखो how we subtract the 4-digit number without borrowing. An example, we subtract 5246 from 7697. Okay, we subtract this number from this number. Okay, देखो first we arrange this number in the reduced places. Yes, here thousands, hundred, tens, ones. Let's put the number in their places. 7697 minus 5246. Okay, देखो subtract the number of the 1 digits. Okay, ones place. The first we subtract the number of the ones place. देखो 7 ones minus 6 ones is 1 ones. Write 1 in the ones column. Then tens place. 9 tens minus 4 tens is your 5 tens. Write 5 in the tens column. Next 100 place. We subtract the number of digits of the 100 place. 600 minus 200 is your 400. 4 right in the 100 column. Next the 1000 place. Okay, 7000 minus 5000 is your 2000. Write 2 in the 1000 place. Okay, now we check our subtraction is right or wrong. Now we check how we check. If we add these two number, वो जो small two number we add करना है, हमको क्या करना है, वो 2 number को हमको add करना है. If we get the greater number, then our answer is correct. Okay, देखो वो जो 2 number, okay, जो smaller 2 number, okay, उसको हमको क्या करना है, add करना है वो दोनों को. If you get this number is equal to this number, our addition result is equal to this number, then our answer is right. देखो add करो. देखो 2451 2451 plus this number 5246 5246. देखो subtract करो. 1 plus 6 is 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, then 4 plus 2 is 6 and 2 plus 5 is 7. देखो 7697 here 7697. This is equal to this number. Okay, so our subtraction is subtraction answer is correct. Okay, this is the checking method of subtraction. It is called the checking method of subtraction. Okay, now we subtract the 4 with borrowing. वो तो without borrowing. Now we subtract with borrowing. देखो subtraction 4-digit number with borrowing. An example, subtract 4886 from 8745. Okay, first we write the two number in their due places. देखो 1000, 100, tens, ones. Okay, put the number 8745 here 4886. देखो हाँ हुई विथ बोरोइंग, हमको क्या करना है, वो जो सब्सट्रैक्शन विथ बोरोइंग। देखो here देखो first we subtract the digits of the ones place. Here 5 ones and 6 ones. We never subtracted 6 ones from the 5 ones, so we borrow 1 tens from the tens place. Here 15, here 3. Okay, you never write 1 in the ones place. You always write the number 1 in the tens place. So 110 plus 5 ones 15. Here 15 ones minus 6 ones. Your 9 ones. Okay, write 9 in the ones column, then tens column. Okay, we subtract this. देखो here 3 tens, 8 tens. We never subtracted 8 tens from 3 tens. So we borrow 100 from the 100 place. Here 1, here 1 is borrowed, here is 6. Okay, 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. You write 5 in the tens place. Okay, tens column. Then 100 column. देखो यहाँ पर 6, 8. We never subtracted 8 from 6. Okay, so we borrow 1000. Here 1. Here 7. Okay, here 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 1600 minus 800 is your 800. You write 8 in the 100 column. Then 1000. 7000 minus 3000. 7000 minus 3000 is your 3000. Okay. Our answer is 3859. Now we check out this number is right or wrong. This subtraction is right or wrong. चलो चेकिंग मेथड चेकिंग करना है. This answer is right or wrong? Checking. Yes. How we check? Yes, we add these two number. The smaller two number we add. If you get the larger number, then our answer is right. Okay. देखो we add these two number. देखो add करना करो 3859 plus 4886. 4886. देखो add करो 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 6 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, 14. 1 8 plus 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Here 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, देखो children here देखो 8745. Here is 8745. This number is equal to this number. So our this is equal to. Okay. देखो this number is equal to this number. Okay. So our subtraction result is right. All of you understood? वो दोनों को क्या हम add करने से we add these two number. If we get the larger number, then our answer is correct. Yes, it is equal. Okay, it is equal to this number, so our answer is right. Okay, this is your checking of subtraction of 4-digit number with borrowing and checking. Next, देखो children, in this way you have to complete exercise 4.1 and exercise 4.2 in your copy. Next, addition and subtraction together. Yes children, how we add addition and subtraction the number together. देखो addition and subtraction. And subtraction together. An example, we have to solve 3402 plus 2445 minus 3744 minus 2455 plus 2000 0 देखो 2550। देखो यहाँ पर देखो in this question there are some positive integers and there are some negative integers। देखो it is how we know the number is negative or positive। First we see the before the sign, before the number of the sign। देखो okay, before the sign of the number देखो it is a positive number, it is a positive number। Before plus 2555 is also a positive number। Why? Because before this number positive sign is here, so this is a positive number, this is a negative number। Why? Because before this number the negative sign is here, so it is a negative number, it is also a negative number। Before this number negative sign is here, so negative number, it is a positive number। Okay, 2550 it is a positive number। Okay, first we add the how we solve the addition and subtraction together। देखो first we add the sum of the first we addition the positive integers or positive sign numbers। First we add the positive signs। देखो number, देखो here is the positive numbers, first we add the positive numbers। देखो 3402 plus 2455 it is negative, it is a negative, so next it is the positive 2550। first we add these three number। okay, देखो how we देखो add करो, next 2455, next 2550। okay, these are all the positive integers, so you add this number। 2 plus 5 is 7, 5 plus 5 is 10। okay, 1, 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 4 is 8, 1 plus 8 5, 10, 14, 1, 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8। okay, our answer is 8407। okay, next we add the number of the negative integers। देखो negative numbers को हम add करें, देखो negative numbers are 3744 plus 2455। okay, we add these two number। देखो add करो, 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1, 4 plus 2 is 6। okay, then we subtract this number from this number। देखो we subtract, then we subtract the 8407 minus 6199। okay, yes, subtract करो 8407 minus 6199, minus करो, here 7 8 0, here 3 2 2। okay, our answer is 2208। okay, our answer is 2208। okay, in this way we solve the addition and subtraction together। next example देखो, next example देखो, it is very easy for everyone। solve, we have to solve 3181 plus 4226 minus 2887। okay, देखो यहाँ पर देखो these two number are the positive and this one the negative number। this is the positive number, this is the positive number and this is the negative number। first we add the positive numbers, two positive number। देखो first we do उसको क्या प्लस कर देखो 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 2 2 4 7 minus 2 8 8 7 माइनस करो देखो माइनस करो 7 4 0 7 minus 2 8 8 7 माइनस करो 7 7 0 2 3 13 देखो 5 4 okay 5 4 2 0 our answer is 5 4 2 0 okay it is your answer. All of you understood? In this way we have to complete exercise 4.3 in your copy. Next word problem. देखो हमको वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. All of you know what is word problem? देखो word problem. Word problem. Yes children, our question is: a school consists of 5,500 children in junior wings. Junior wings में कितना स्टूडेंट? 5,500 and 3,100 children in the senior wing. Senior wing में कितना children? 3,100 children. और how many children are there in junior wings as compared to the senior wing? We have to compare the junior. We have to compare how much more student in the junior wing. Okay? Yes. How we? देखो first कैसे लिखना है? Solution. First you have to write the total number of student in the junior wing. First total number of student. Total number of students in the junior wing. Total number of students in the junior wings 5,500. Okay, in senior total number of students in the junior wings 5,500. In the senior wings you will 3,100. Okay, our question is how many more children in the junior wings than the senior wings? So how we will do it? Yes, because more children in the junior wing is equal to more children in the junior wings is equal to क्या है? Student in the junior wings minus student in the senior wings. देखो क्या करना है? First junior wing students of junior wings minus students of senior wings. Okay, देखो माइनस करो. Student of junior wings 5,500 minus senior wings 3,100. Yes, 0 0 5 plus 1 is 4 2 2,400. Okay, yes, it is our answer. 2,400 students are more in the junior wing. ऐसे लिखना है hence 2,400 children are more in the junior wing. Students more in junior wing. Okay, junior wing. All of you understood? देखो in this way you have to complete page exercise 4.4 in your copy. Okay, this is all about our chapter for subtraction. Okay, we know how to subtract with borrowing. First we know without borrowing and checking. Next, with borrowing, subtraction with borrowing and checking. Next, how to solve addition and subtraction together and word problem. This is all about your chapter 4 subtraction. All of you understood? All the question answer will